Hello students, now I am going to explain 6th class maths first chapter knowing our numbers. So already we have completed exercise 1.1. So now next concept is estimation and round off. Estimation and round off. So we will see the children here. There are some situation in which we may consider reasonable guess, not exact quantity. So there are some situations in which we may consider reasonable guess, but not exact quantity. Suppose if you take example children, over 20 million passengers are carried by over 10,000 trains over 60,000 kilometers route of railway track every day. Suppose this is our assumption. So over 20 million passengers are carried by over 10,000 trains. 20 million passengers, how many trains? 10,000 trains over how many kilometers? 60,000 kilometers route of railway track every day. Next example, if you take children, over 120 million people visited the Mahakumbha Mela 2013. That is the day information is given by Harvard University. Over 10 million people watched the final match of IPL 2013. So this is the information we will be getting. So otherwise, recently, if you take today concept, so over 10 lakh people visited Golconda Bonalu in Hyderabad. Over 10 lakh people visited Golconda Bonalu in Hyderabad. So that like you take so many examples children, but whatever you are taking that number is not exact children, that number is not exact. Suppose over 20 lakhs people visited Charminar today in Hyderabad. So whatever we are taking the value, that we are assuming means it is not an exact value, we are guessing it, it is not an exact value. So that type of values is known as estimation, and we are making into rounded figures. So suppose, see, in our example, note, it is very difficult to count the people in huge gathering of people, it is very difficult. So we estimate the count which is reliable to the exact. So we are able to count number of people. So many number of people, are you able to count? No, it is difficult. So what we'll do, we'll write reliable. Reliable means we'll estimate and write to the exact value. So here in first example, 20 million is not exact, it could be 19.9 million or 20.01 million. So that's why, so here 19.9 or 20.1. So overall what I wrote, rough value 21. So what I told, 10 lakhs people Golconda means, it may be not exact, it may be 9.8 lakhs or 10.1 lakh. So roughly what I told, 10 lakh people visited Golconda Bonalu in Hyderabad today. So in this way we will estimate children. So this is a concept you should understand. So I will explain detail in problems children. So this is, in this way, whatever we are assuming that values, the type of is known as estimation. Estimation. Note, estimation is finding a number that is close enough to the right answer. Estimation is finding a number that is close enough to the right answer. So estimation by round off means guess. You may guess, or quick enough, or reasonable, or reliable. Reliable or accuracy, meaning is same. So in these four ways you can think children. Either can guess, quick enough, or reasonable, reliable, or accuracy. So note, if units place is more than or equal to 5, then we go to next number for the resultant or current number. So we'll check units place children. Units place. So we'll check units place. So if it is more than or equal to 5 means, then we go for next number for the resultant or current number. If units place is less than 5, then we write the result as a resultant or current number. Current number. So we will see examples children. So in the textbook we are having do this. In page number 4 we are having do this, children. See here, do this. Round off these numbers as directed. So 48, 62, 81, 94, 27 to the nearest tens. So we'll see step by step, children. So given to round off the nearest to their tens for the following numbers, children. So these are the numbers is given for 48. So whenever he is asking tens, you should see for ones place, children. So he is asking to estimate or round off nearest tens. So you should go for ones place, children. So circle that. So here ones place is what, children? 8. So means what we can write here, children? Tens only is asking. No, what is our number? 4. Means 40, 50 you should write. So here ones place is 8. Means more than 5 or not, children. That's why you should circle 50. So 48 nearest value is 50, children. Next to 62 is there. So here what is the ones place, children? 2. So what you can write here? 60 or 70. So ones place is 2, children. So 2 means less than 5. Less than 5 means you should write current number only. Current number only means what? 60. So here we got an example of greater than or equal to 5. Here we got an example for less than 5. If you take 81, children. So here what is the ones place, children? 1. Circle that. So here 8 is there, children. In tens place write 80 here, 90 here. So here ones place is 1. So 1 is less than 5 or not, children. So you should write the current answer. Current answer means whatever given number that you should write means 80. So nearest tens is 80. Next to 94, children. Here ones place is 4. So here tens place is 9. So write here 90. Here 100. So 4 means less than 5, children. So nearest tens comes under current number. What is it? 9 is there, means 90. So in this way, easy way you should do, children. Next to 27. Ones place is what, children? Here 7. So here tens place is 2, means you should go for 20 as well as 30. So 7 means more than 5, children. Greater than or equal to 5. So you should go for next number. What is the next tens here? 20 after 30. So 30 is the answer. Circle it. Just in simple way you should do, children. Should not go for complicated things. Next, given to round off the nearest to their hundreds for the following numbers. Nearest hundreds is asking, children. So here these are the 5 numbers is given. We will see one problem, children. So here 128. So nearest hundreds means you should compare for tens place. So here what is the tens place, children? 2. Circle that. So here hundreds place is 100. 1. So write here 100. Here write 200. So 2 means what, children? 2 means less than or equal less than 5. So this value is less than 5 means current value is the result. So that is what? 100. Next to 275, children. So here what is the tens place, children? 7. Circle that. So your hundreds place is 2 means 200, 300. 7 means what, children? Greater than or equal to 5. Means it will come next number. What is that next hundreds after 200? 300. So that is your answer. Next to 312, children. So 312 means here what is the tens place, children? 1. Circle that. So what is the hundreds place here? 3. Means write 300 here. See here, children, here hundreds place is asking. That's why you should write that numbers only. 300. After the 300, 400. So ones place here circle number is 1. So 1 is less than 5, children. So you should write current result. Current means what? How much? 3 means 300. 300 is your answer. Next is 695, children. So what is your tens place, children? Here 9. Circle that. So here hundreds place is 6 means 600. After 600, 700. So 9. So 9 is greater than 5, children. So you should go for next number. Next hundreds. So 6 after which number it will come? 7 means 700. So answer is how much? 700. Next 199, children. So here what is the tens place, children? 9. Circle that. So here hundreds place is 1. So write here 100. After 100, next 100 is 200. So here tens place is 9, children. 9 is greater than or equal to 5. So greater than 5. So greater than 5 means next hundreds it will come, children. So means what you should do, 100 after next 100 is 200. So what is the result, children? 200. So in this way you should compare less than 5 or more than 5. If less than 5 is the current number only, it will come. If more than or if more than or equal to 5 or greater than or equal to 5 means next number it will come, children, like this. In this simple process you should do. Next, in this third one, given to round off the nearest to their thousands, children, thousands for the following numbers. Now we should go for thousands, children. These are the 5 questions is given, so we will see one by one. So to write nearest values for thousands, we should compare with hundreds place, children. So what is your hundreds place, children? Ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds place is 4. Circle that 4, children. So here 1000 place is 7. So right here 7000. After 7000 is 8000. So 4. 4 means 4 is less than 5. So you should write current solution only. Means what? 7000. 7000. Next number is this one, children. So here what is the hundreds place, children? 1. Hundreds place is 1. So here 1000 place is 8. So you should write 8000, 9000. 8000 and 9000. So here 1 is less than 5, children. 1 is less than 5. So what we can write? Current number means 8. Means 8000 is the answer. Next number is this one, children. Here what is the hundreds place? 0 is the hundreds place. So here 1000 place is how much, children? 3 means 3000, 4000. So 0 means less than 5, children. So you should mark current number. What is that? 3 means 3000. So answer is nearest 1000 is 3000. Next one is 7119, children. So here what is the hundreds place, children? 1. Circle that. So here what is the 1000 place, children? 7. Means write 7000. After 7000 is 8000. So here whatever circle number is there, that is less than 5, children. Means what is the solution? We will get current number. What is the current? 7. Means 7000 is the answer. Next 9600, children. 9600. So here what is the hundreds place, children? 6. So here 1000 place is 9. Means 9000. After 9000 is 10,000. So here 6 is more than 5, children. More than means it will come next number. Next number. So after 9000 nearest 1000 is 10,000. So answer is 10,000. Next question, children, is given. Think and discuss and write. So this is a question is given, children. Discuss with your friends about rounding of numbers for 10,000 place. Discuss with your friends about rounding of the numbers for 10,000 place. So given to discuss with your friends about rounding of the numbers for 10,000 plus, children. So to find the rounding of numbers for 10,000 place, first we see in thousands place, children. So here for tens place we are seeing nearest tens place we are seeing ones place. For hundreds place we are seeing tens place. For thousands place we are seeing hundreds place. Similarly 10,000 place means we will see for thousands place, children, whether the value is less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5. Greater than equal to 5. So in that way you will see, children, if 1000 place is less than 5, then we write the resultant 10,000 place value. Then we will write the result as resultant 10,000 place value. If 1000 place is greater than or equal to 5, then we write the next 10,000 value. Same concept, children. Here also I have taken examples here. So 94,326, children. Here what I told, for 10,000 you should compare 1000 place, children. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000. 1000 place is 4, children. Circle that. So here 9 is there. So means how much you should write, children? 10,000 place means 90,000 and 1 lakh you should write, children. 90,000 after 10,000 is 1 lakh. So here 4 means less than 5, children. So you will get current solution means 9. Means 90,000 is the answer. Next is 76,947, children. So here what is the 1000 place, children? 6. So here 10,000 place is 7. So 7 means 70,000. 70,000 after next 10,000 is 80,000. So 6 means here greater than 5, children. So we will go for next number. Means after 70,000 what is the number? 80,000. That is the result, children. Next, 65,792 children. Here what is the 1000 place? 5. So here 10,000 place is 6 dead children, means here 60,000, here 70,000. 6 indicates 60,000, 70,000, because next is 1000 place. So here 1000 place is how much children? 5. 5 means greater than or equal to 5 it is there, means we will write the result next number children. 6 after next number is 7, means 70,000 you will write the answer. So next rounding number for this rounding value is how much? 70,000. In this way we will do the rounding problem children in easiest way. Next problem children, do this. So he is asking now expand the numbers given in the example. So do this. Given to expand the following numbers. So here 21,504. So for first two problems I will explain in details children here. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 is there children. That only I wrote. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Ones place how much children? 4. Tens place is 0 children. That only I have written. Hundreds place is 4, 5. Next 1000 place is 1. 10,000 place is 2. Right children here. 2 into 10,000. 2 is there in 10,000 place. Means how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So what are the for 2 what are the remaining boxes is there? That many zeros you should write children. So 4 zeros plus 1 is there in 1000 place. Right is 1 as it is into how many boxes left over children here? 3 boxes, means 3 zeros plus write 5 as it is. So after 5 how many boxes left over children? 2 boxes, means 100 plus 0 into. So after 0 how many boxes left over children? 1 box, means 0 plus 4 is there in 1's place, right? 4 into 1. So 2 into 10,000 is 20,000. 1 into 1000 is 1000. 5 into 100 is 500. 0 into 10 is 0. 4 into 1 is 4. So we will write 20,000 plus 1000 plus 500 plus 4. We will not write 0. So if you add all this result, 20,000, 1000, 500, 0, 4. 4 here it will get, here 0 it will get, 5 will get, here 1 will get, here 2 will get. So 21,504 you are getting children, whatever question is given. This no need for your understanding, I have did. Next question is given 38,400 children. Same manner. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So your first 0 is there in 1's place, second 0 is there in 10's place. Next third, four is there in 100's place, 8 is there in 1000 place, 3 is there in 10,000 place. Means how much? 3 into 10,000 means how many zeros? 4 zeros plus 8 into how many zeros you should write? 1000 plus 4 into how many zeros? 2 zeros, 2 plus 0 into 1 0 means 10 plus 0 into 1. So 3 into 10,000 is 30,000 plus 8 into 1000 is 8,000. 4 into 100 means 400. 0 10 the 0. 0 1 the 0. So don't write this 0 children. What is the remaining answer? 30,000 plus 8,000 plus 400. In this way you should do the problem children. So next value this is given children. So here 8 is there in 1's place, that's why I wrote 8 into 1 plus here 8 is there in 10's place, means 8 into 10. So I have did directly children, no need to do like that. So 8 in here 8 is there in 100's place, 8 into 100 plus here 7 is there in 1000 place children. So I wrote 7 into 1000. Here next 7 is there in 10,000 plus children. So 7 into 10,000 how much children? 70,000. 7 into 1000 is 7,000. So 8 into 100 is 800. 8 in the 80. 8 1 the 8. Problem is completed children. Next 20,050. So here 0 is there in 1's place. That's why I wrote 1 here. 5 is there in 10's place. That's why I wrote 5 into 10. Plus this 0 is there in 100's place. 0 into 100. Plus again this 0 is there in 1000 place. That's why I wrote 0 into 1000. Plus 2 is there in 10,000 plus. That's why 2 into 10,000. So 2 into 10,000 is 20,000. 0 into 1000 is 0. 0 10 100 is a 0. 5 10 the 50. 0 1 the 0. So write 20,000 and 50. Why? Because don't write zeros. Next 41,501 means here 1 is there in 1's place. that's why I wrote 1. 0 is there in tens place, that's why 0 into 10, plus 5 is there in hundreds place, that's why 5 into 100, plus this 1 is there in thousand place, that's why 1 into 1000, plus 4 is there in 10,000 place, that's why 4 into 10,000. So 4 into 10,000 is 40,000, 1 into 1000 is 1000, 5 into 100 is 500, 0 10 the 0, 1 into 1 is 1. So write 40,000, here write 1000, here write 500, and here write 1. Here write 1. So exercise 1.2. So given to round up the following numbers to nearest tens. Same way, children, whatever we did like do this, we should do. So here rounding up the following numbers to the nearest tens is given, children. Here 89. So tens means what we will compare in ones place. Here ones place is 9, children. Circle that. So right. So here tens place is how much? 8 means 80. Next 90. So 9 means greater than 5, children. So you should go for next result. So what is that? 90. So 90 is the answer. Next in the second one is given, children, 415, children. 415. So same concept, children. You should take ones place only. Circle that ones place. So here tens place is there 100. 10 place is there. In tens place 1 is there, children. So that's why write 410 and write 420. Why? Because he is just asking only tens place round off. That's why write 410, 420. So 5 means you should go for next result. Greater than or equal to 5 means we will go next result. So what is that, children? 420. 420. Next 3951, children. So nearest tens place means what you should compare? Ones place. So 1, circle that one. So here in tens place 5 is there. So write 3950. Next after the tens place is 3960. So 1 means what, children? Less than 5 means we will write current result. What is that? 3950. Next 4409. So here ones place is 9, children. So here tens place is 0. Means what we will write, children, here? 4400, 4410. So here ones place 9 there means greater than 5, children. So we will go for next number. What is that? 4410. Next, given to round up the following numbers to the nearest hundreds, children. Nearest hundreds. So hundreds means we will compare with tens place. So 695. Here tens place is how much, children? 9. Means here right. What is the hundreds place here? 600. After 600, 700. So 9 is greater than 5. So we'll go for next result. What is that? 700. Next 36,152. What is the tens place, children, here? 5. Means what you will write here, children? Before circle up to here same. 36,100. After the 36,200. So 5 is there in tens place means we'll go for next number. What is that? 36,200. Next 13,648, children. So here what is tens place? 4. So what we can write, children, here numbers 13,600 and 13,700. By seeing this you can write this. Next 100 is 700. So here circle number is 4. 4 is less than 5. So you will write current result. What is that? 136 means 13,600. Circle that. Next 93,618. So what is the tens place here, children? 1. So what can you write here, children? Number 93600 means 93,600. Next 93,700. So here tens place is 1 is there, children. Means you will write current answer. What is that? 93,600. 96,600. Next, given to round up the following numbers to the nearest thousand. Nearest 1000. So 1000 means which number we will compare, children? With hundreds place. So here hundreds place is 4. Once tens hundreds place is 4. So 4. Circle that. So what can you write, children, here? 1000 means 3000. Next 4000. So here 4 means less than 5. We'll write current solution. What is that? Indicate with 3. 3000. That is your answer. Next 70,124, children. So here what is the hundreds place? 1. So what can you write here, children? Nearest values, nearest thousands. So 70,000 and 71,000. Don't go for 80,000. Why? Because we are writing in thousands place only. 70,000, 71,000. So your circle number is 1. 1 is less than 5. Means we will write current number. What is that? 70,000. Next 8,765 children. So what is your hundreds place? 7 children. So what can you write the numbers here? What can you write the numbers? 8,000 and 9,000. 8,000 and 9,000. So your circle number is 7. 7 means greater than 5 children. So we'll go for next number. So 8 after 9. 9 means 9,000 is the nearest value. Next to 4,001 children. So your hundreds place is 0. Hundreds place is 0. So what can you write here, children? 4,000 and 5,000. So 0 means less than 5. So you'll write answer as 4,000. 4,000. Next, fourth question, children. Given to write the numbers in short form. So is given 3,000 plus 400 plus 7. Means how can you add, children, here? 7. Write as it is. Write 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. Write this 3. Means 3,407. Next question is given like this. 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 1. I have written like that only. So 1 I wrote as it is. Next 5 I wrote as it is. 3 I wrote as it is. 2 I wrote as it is. Next one means 12,351. Next 30,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 5. 30,525. So here right, add, children, here 5. Here write 2 as it is. Here write 5 as it is. So here now number is there, write 0. Here 3 means 30,525. Next here 90,000 plus 900, 90,000 plus 9,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. So if you write in order, here 9 only, here 9 only, here 9 only, 9, 9 means 99,999 children. So in this exercise 1.2, last problem, children, given to write the expanded form of numbers. Already before only I have told you to do this expanded form, children. So this is the number is given 4348. Means here 8 is there in ones place. So next here 4 is there in tens place. So 3 is there in hundreds place, and 4 is there in thousand place. So 4 into 1000 is 4,000. 3 into 100 is 300. 4 into 10 is 40. 8 1 the 8. Next completed. Next question is 30,214. So here 4 is there in ones place. 1 is there in tens place. 2 is there in hundreds place. 0 is there in 1000 place. 3 is there in 10,000 place. Means 3 into 10,000 is 30,000. 0 into 1000 is 0. 2 into 100 is 200. 1 10 the 10. 4 1 the 4. Means 30,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4 over expanded form. Next 22,222 children. So here first 2 is there in ones place. Second 2 is there in tens place. Third 2 is there in hundreds. Fourth 2 is there in 1000. Fifth 2 is there in 10,000 place. So 2 into 10,000 20,000. So 2 into 1000 is 2,000. 2 into 100 is 200. 2 10 the 20. 2 ones are 2. Problem is closed. Next 75,025. So here 5 is there in ones place. 2 is there in tens place. 0 is there in hundreds place. 5 is there in 1000 place. 7 is there in 10,000 place. 7 into 10,000 is 70,000. 5 into 1000 is 5,000. 0 into 100 is 0. 2 into 10 is 20. Next 5 on the 5. So 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 20 plus 5. So in this way we will write the problems, children. So practice this round of concepts carefully. So in next session I will tell some more concepts and problems related to exercise 1.3, children. Okay, now I am closing the class. Okay.